The next option we have is place by. Here you're going to notice that we get the choices for in, out 1, out 2, and out 3. Now place by in a way is linked to the direction interval parameters we're about to get to. What place by in means is that the direction interval parameters we're choosing here are going to be based on the angle the in joint is located at. For example, we're going to come over to conditions and we're actually going to add an elbow, one square elbow, to the list of conditions so that we can come into the placement tab and under the preview we're going to do square elbow. We're just going to focus on this elbow here. The way Practicad deals with direction intervals and the way we dictate what angle this fitting is to the drawing is we draw a center line through either the in joint or the out joint. If we drew a center line through the in joint of this duct, that center line would be at 0 degrees to the drawing. So in other words, we'd say that since we're going to choose direction intervals and we've chosen place by in, when we go to choose our direction intervals, if we say tag elbows at 0 degrees, this elbow will get tagged because the center line or a layout line through the center in joint, as notated here, would be parallel to the 0 degree line of the drawing. However, if we said place by out 1, this would be the out 1. If we decide to hold our fittings and choose direction intervals based on the out joint, here this duct would be notated as 270 degrees to the drawing because we would be drawing a layout line through the out joint, through the center of the out joint. And if we drew a layout line through the center of the out joint in the direction you can see that my cursor's going, that line would be going at 270 degrees to the drawing. So if we place a tag down by the direction interval and hold by the in, the tag would get placed if we said place it at 0 degrees. However, if we said place by out 1 and we had said place tags on the direction interval 270 degrees, here the elbow would get a tag because this elbow is going according to the out joint at 270, according to the in joint at 0. Most of the time, for virtually every automatic in the software, we just leave it on place by in. 99.9% of the time, you can leave this on place by in. All default automatics in Practicad utilize thus far the in place by. And once again, this is going to dictate and make more sense when we jump into the direction interval section we're about to do shortly.